Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, well, it's been 30 days, so we're going to talk about water again. We're going to talk about increasing your water supply and a little bit of protection of it for the wintertime. So 30 days, you need to add some more water to your stores, whether it's another 5-gallon jug or a couple 5-gallon jugs, or whether you're going to go all out and get a 55-gallon barrel or a 30-gallon barrel. You know, you're going to really up it, but you need to think about upping your water supply now. Now, in the last week or so, I've been at the end of these videos, I've been talking about I have a feeling from the information I'm getting from several sources that something bad is not going to happen, but it has a increased likelihood of happening. So if that's the case, you may want to have extra water available just in case the grid goes down and there's no electricity to pump water either from your well or from the city to your house. All right, so increase your water supply. Also, think about protecting your water supply if suddenly you don't have electricity to run your furnace or your heaters or however you're keeping your water warm enough so it doesn't freeze and break the containers it's in. All right, so think about that. You know, it's better to go ahead and do something and not need it than to wind up losing the water when you could have done something to save it. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Add another skill every month. Because like I said earlier, I have a feeling something bad is going to be going on this winter. I'm not sure, can't nail it down, but there are several things in play, and we all need to up our preps for this winter.